Hey guys, Nicole here, your go-to Bulacan Realtor, and welcome to my channel. Did you know that it's already November 2025? Of course, we all know that. And Christmas is nearly approaching, but 1st of November is my birth month. So watch until the end of this video because you will know my surprise promo for my birth month. And that is for our best-selling project here in Barangay San Vicente, Santa Maria, Bulacan. This is Bella Vista. Let's have a house tour. I will give you updated sample computation and my promo. We are starting with none other than Bettina model with a minimum lot area of 80 square meter and that floor area showing on the screen. Pagpasok mo guys, ang lakas ng hangin. Kita niyo yan guys. Diba? Your garden space and your car garage. Itong car garage niya, dahil malaki to guys, up to 2 cars pwede. Okay, so ayan siya. Tingnan niyo sa likod. Imagine, 80 square minimum lot, 80 square meter. Ano na, ganito na kalaki. Ang dami mo nang pwedeng gawin. Tapos meron ka pang service area, laundry area. Kasi itong part na to, yung mga existing homeowners dito, nagpapa-expand sila. Kasi diba kita nyo, nasa gilid yung balcony. Pwede mo yung ipa-expand. Yan na yung hanggang dito isasagad nyo. Tapos yun yung magiging bubong ng garahe mo. May malaki kang balcony sa harap. Tapos pwede ka pang magpa-extend ng bedroom dito. Kaya depende yan sa'yo guys. 80 square meter minimum lot pa lang yan. How much more pa kung may makakuha ka ng mas malaki, diba guys? So let's go inside. Steel door and complete finish turnover Bettina model na mayroong storage na located sa ibaba ng kanyang hagdanan. Pwedeng maglagay ng mga panglinis dyan. Mataas po yung ating ceiling, 60 by 60 yung tiles. Ito yung tiles niya sa turnover. Pwede ka maglagay kahit 4 to 6 seater dining table and kasama to sa turnover. Sa kitchen sink, may access door dito sa garage. At yung isang door na yon ay access naman ito sa service area kanina. Diba guys? Pag kay Bettina, ganito yung magiging layout. Okay po? Tapos, we have a total of 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. Ito yung first toilet and shower sa first floor. Kasama yung fixtures. Ganito yung turnover ng stairs. Let's go up. Yan, ganito yung vinyl tiles ng second floor. Yung view niya from the second floor, ganito siya guys. Yan, meron siyang window. So, ayan. Pwede kang mag-chandelier or mag-drop lights kasi mataas po yung ceiling. Ito yung sa gilid yung balcony niya na expandable. Hallway na maluwag. 3 bedrooms, naka-partition na kasi nga complete finish. So, bedroom 1 for Bettina model. Bedroom 2. Single bed, pwede dito. May space for the closet. Kahit double bed dito sa isa, pwede rin. Tapos, toilet and shower muna tayo. Second toilet and shower. Ayan, nandito yung shower niya sa ating second floor. Hindi mo na kailangan bumaba. At ang iyong masters. Wow! Master's bedroom for Bettina model na pwede ang double bed. Yan. Ito yung saste. May malaki tayong window glass here. Sliding window. And ito, pwede ka pang maglagay ng malaking closet dito. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. O, diba? Master's bedroom. Maluwag pa. Pwede ka pang maglagay ng side table at pwede mo pang i-maximize tong space na to dito sa side. O, diba guys? That's your Bettina model. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine? Diba? Like, I will show you the sample computation guys. Wala ka nang makikita na malapit sa Quezon City, malapit sa Metro Manila, flood-free, na complete finish, 3 bedroom, single attached, na ganito ka-affordable. Kung value for money yung hanap nyo, ito na yung pinaka-value for money kasi yung price niya, price lang ng 1 bedroom, 25 square meters sa Manila, yung condo. Pero ito, meron ka ng complete finish 3 bedrooms, single attached. Let's talk about our sample computation, guys. Let's go. There you have it, quick house tour for Bettina Model. Let's talk about the sample competition. Like what I mentioned, and siya guys, wala ka nang makikitang ganitong value for money na single attached for pre-selling in the area of Bulacan, malapit sa Philippine Arena NLEX, at sa ginagawang BGC or we call it NGC of the North. Siya yung by Mega World. And at the same time, kung pupunta ka ng Makati, 1-hour drive, NLEX Skyway. Kung pupunta ka ng NAIA, 1-hour drive or 1 hour 15 minutes via Skyway, NLEX Skyway din. O, diba? Saan ka pa? Nasa Bulacan ka, pero wow ha, parang mas matraffic pa kung mag-e-EDSA ka na galing kang Vistas, pupunta ka ng Makati, naabutin ka ng ilang oras. Samantalang to, galing ka na ng Bulacan. Dahil ang ganda ng location mo, ang ganda ng mga access mo sa expressway, mas mabilis kang makakarating sa mga destination mo. O, diba guys? Nakikita nyo naman, value for money, ito na po yung pinaka-affordable natin na 3-bedroom, 2-toilet, and bath, single attached, complete finished in the area of Bulacan. At the end of this video, saka kami bibigay yung aking birth month discount promo or special promo. Let's go first to our Beatrice model. And there you have it, the beautiful Beatrice model, guys. Ayan yung kanyang floor and lot area showing din sa screen. O, diba guys? Ito po yung ating next model. Kasi dalawang model lang naman yung pagpipilian. Pagpasok mo kay Beatrice, mapapansin mo kaagad itong pa-arco niya. Yung pa-arco niya design na may ilaw dito na dalawa. And then yung garden space niya, dito siya guys. And at the same time, nasa labas na yung kanyang storage. Mas pinalaki na rin. Ayan, kasya na yung tao. Ayan, hindi po ito feng shui dahil ito ay nakapaslant at ito ay maliit lang. Kung nababother ka pa rin yung ibang buyer, pinapatanggal nila tong pinto and then ginagawa na lang nila na parang yung pang ganun lang, yung ini-slide lang. Okay. And yung iba naman, nakikita ko sa mga homeowners na dito, nagpalagay na sila dito ng screen door din. Ang ganda rin tignan. Tapos ito guys, ayan, yung car garage mo, very spacious as well. Minimum lot na 80 pa lang itong pinapakita natin. Sa, ayan, yung magiging service area. Ito pwede rin itong ipa-expand ha, kasi yung malawak pa yung space mo dito. Ayan o. Yan, pwede nyo pa yung ipa-expand guys, okay? Let's go to the model. Beatrice model, complete finished, turnover. What you see is what you get, except that we improved the tiles. It's now 60 by 60, high ceiling pa rin, painted yan ng white. Pag na-turnover yan sa'yo, gamit na lang. Kasama to sa turnover, guys. Nag-iba yung kanyang layout kasi nakita nyo naman kanina kung compare sa Bettina, diba? So, napunta dito yung kanyang stairs. And then, here, pagdating mo dito, nawala na yung door dyan. Isa na lang yung door natin dito. Kasi diba kayo na kay Bettina, may door doon. Pero, mas lumaki yung toilet and shower ni Beatrice sa baba. Ayan. Okay? I hope we are clear on that, and you see the difference. Tapos, ito pa rin yung access door mo, syempre, sa service area or laundry area natin. Ayan, guys. Let's go to the second floor. Ito yung stairs niya. Ganito na yung turnover ng stairs niya, guys. And here, yung kanyang hallway na maluwag. Syempre, mas maluwag talaga ang hallway ni Beatrice. Yung kanyang view from the second floor. Ito siya, guys. Yan, meron pa rin siyang window dyan. Tapos, ayan yung view niya from the second floor. Napunta na sa harap yung balcony. Tapos, pagdating dito sa harap, mas lumaki yung balcony at expandable din to. Ayan, ganyan siya, guys. Pwede mo yung ipa-expand hanggang doon. Depende sa'yo. So, naka-vinyl tiles din tong second floor. Naka-partition na. Kasi nga, complete finish turnover, guys. Okay? Bedroom number 2 na mas pinalaki din. Sorry, I mean toilet and bath. Number 2, ayan. Kasama na yung mga fixtures dyan, guys, okay? And of course, your bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2 na pwedeng kang mag-queen size dahil sa sobrang luwag at laki pa ng iyong bedroom number 2. Look at this. Can you see it, guys, from the video? I'm trying my best na talagang makuha ko siya na kahit wala ka dito, nakakapag-virtual house tour ka na kasi 70% of my clients are OFWs na nakagre-reserve online even without viewing the unit in person. Ayan siya, guys, oh. And then, of course, the master's bedroom. Your master's bedroom. Pwede dito ang queen size. Napakalaki na ng size ng bed na yan, guys. So, diba? Tapos, tignan niyo siya dito. Ang laki pa ng closet niya doon. Ayan. So, this is your master's bedroom. Now, let's talk about how affordable and value for money is this Beatrice model. Let's go. There you have it, guys, our quick house tour for Beatrice model, and of course showing on the screen as promised yung kanyang sample computation. Did you know that we are already almost sold out with Beatrice because we only have reopening in phase 1 and very few slots in phase 2. So yes, we have less than 5 slots left. So it is first come, first served for Beatrice model, guys. I hope we are clear on that, and this is 100% online reservation. Just imagine 70% of my clients abroad, OFW or immigrants, they reserved online because this is 100% online reservation process. Kaya po yung inventory natin sa map, paunahan po talaga siya kasi mabilis pong ma-secure yung slot because we have real-time inventory and we have online reservation, which is very smooth lang yung process. I'm gonna show on the screen na rin, diba? Yung kanyang initial requirements. Nakita niyo naman, guys, that's why it's very easy na ma-reserve mo siya online, and then after 30 days, magsa-start yung iyong down payment every month without interest. So, ganun po siya, guys. So, there you have it. If you think you are qualified and talaga namang kayang-kaya ng budget, ng monthly income natin, yung ating equity or down payments at future amortizations sa Bella Vista, then go ahead, contact me as soon as possible para ma-avail mo rin yung aking birth month promo, which is, I'm gonna show on the screen right now. Bihira lang yan, guys, ha. Just imagine, once a year ko lang yan in-offer. Kasi nga, syempre, ilang beses ka bang nagkakaroon ng birthday sa isang taon, di ba? Ilang beses lang naman. So, dahil November is special, ayan siya, guys, okay? Huwag mo nang hintayin magpasko dahil baka maubusan ka na rin naman. At syempre, di ba, parang i-consider mo ba itong taon na to? Eh, wala na, 2026 na rin eh, di ba? At least, i-welcome mo yung bagong taon, yung new year na meron ka nang nilulook forward. Again, very smooth ang process natin dito. 100% online reservation at direct kay developer pa, guys. Ang ating developer, Dormerland Incorporated, more than 50 years in the real estate industry. So, I hope we are clear on that. If you still have any questions for me, all you need to do is very simple. Just contact me as soon as possible sa aking Viber and WhatsApp number. That's all you need to do, guys, because no walk-ins are allowed here in the project. You must contact me. If you want to request a viewing, that's fine. Like physical, actual site tripping at least 1 to 2 days before, no problem. I live very close to Bella Vista, but still needs to be booked to my calendar. And also the guards here are also quite strict now because we already have community in Bella Vista phase 1, so strictly no walk-ins are allowed. That's always showing on the screen, my Viber and WhatsApp number. Just contact me, guys. Just mention Bella Vista, Bettina, or Beatrice, and then I'll send you the sample computation. I'll send you the map. Pumili ka na kaagad, mag-reserve ka na online, i-transfer mo na agad yung reservation sa account ni developer. Kailangan ko lang ng proof na nagawa mo yan, like screenshot, okay? So, contact me as soon as possible. But if you are using Messenger, ayan, pinapakita ko rin legit yan, may blue check yan, verified yan. Yan yung account ko, guys, sa Facebook and Messenger. Pwede niyo naman akong i-follow, okay? So, guys, that's all you need to know. Thank you for joining me today. And most important thing, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for all my pasabog updates. Dito lang yan, guys, sa mga Bulacan projects. Thank you, guys, for watching and have a nice day.